Did you want to create a glow effect to your text on Photoshop? Don't worry, I got you. First, open Photoshop and create a new layer. Now go to the Tools sections and click Text Tools, or you can click Ctrl+T. Then type whatever you want. And if you want to use the fonts that I'm using, just choose this font style. And for your text size, adjust it by 390. Then adjust your text. Next, go to Layers section and click the right button twice and click the left button once. After that, this Layer Style section will pop out. Then check this outer glow button and click it. Here you can choose any color you want. You can increase or decrease the glow size by adjusting it. And finally, check the inner glow button and adjust the size by 250.